Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and find groups on your Xbox One. And this is very easy to do. So let's just say I played a game recently and I want to add it to a group so I can find it easier in the future. So here's Halo, the Master Chief Collection. I'm going to press the button with the 3 lines on it over the app. And then what I'm going to do is go to Add to Group right here. Now select it. And you can create a new group or add it to an existing group. So I'm going to go to create new group and then just call this Halo. So any kind of Halo title I'm going to put into this group. Then I'm going to go on over to Halo Infinite, press the button with 3 lines on it, add it to group. Now let's add it to Halo. Now to actually find your groups, you won't be able to see them on the home screen here. You want to press the Xbox button, then go down to My Games and Apps, and you can see your groups right here. So here's FPS. I back out, I can go to Halo now, right here. Now another way to see all this is if I go to My Games and Apps, I can go to See All on the top. Now I can see all my games. So if you have like 400, 500, 600 games in here, it might be hard to locate the games that you want to play. But if you go down to groups on the side here, I can see my FPS group, then I can see my Halo group right here, and I can move these around or I can delete them. So I can remove specific games from a group by pressing the button with 3 lines on it, move within group, remove from group, so I can move this application to the front of the group, etc. Or I can rename this. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did? Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.